Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're not new here, hi and welcome. Consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you subscribe, please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So while my edges are drying up under here, I'm going to really quickly give you guys the specs. So today's video sponsor is, I'm going to still write it on the screen just in case I'm not saying it right. They were kind enough to send over their 36-inch triangle part boho box braid wig. It's a knotless unit as well, and you guys, this one has HD transparent lace all the way around, So if you're not new here, you already know that that is one of the first things I do before I even install the unit, is cut that double lace out to try to mimic what they just already have constructed. So that took a lot of work away from applying this unit, and yeah, I really appreciate that. So if y'all just an OG here, you already know when I do these braided wigs, I always cut that double lace out, and I always tell y'all to cut the double lace out. I also told y'all if I came across a company or a company came across me yeah, if a company came across me and they offered a unit that was pretty much straight out of the box, that I would be sure to let y'all know. And yeah, it's seeming like theirs is as close to straight off the box that it's probably gonna get. So their lace is HD lace all the way around the entire unit. All the way around the entire unit. They also have baby hairs around the entire unit. So if you want to put up that bun, you probably can get away with doing it with this one. We're going to test it out and just see. I do want to say, just because it's making me think of when I put this up in a bun, this is very big hair friendly. I do believe I have mine on the tightest that it can go, and I still feel like I got like a little bit of play in it. Not much, but I do have a little bit, just putting everything on the tightest. So if you have like a larger size head, or maybe you just have more hair than most that will be up under your unit, like maybe your hair is just super thick or super long, and your cornrows will kind of, you know, make some units fit kind of tight, this one will be perfect for you. Yeah, so let's get back to the ponytail. If you're not new here, you already know how much I am in love with my little tube headband. On this one, I'm gonna see if I can get away without wearing it. I'm gonna just see. It's kind of difficult to glue down your back sides too. I did kind of it's kind of difficult, at least for me, to glue just the whole perimeter around. And y'all know I use the even. I think I'm gonna start looking into getting something else, because with a look like that and you don't have the headband on, you really want it to be just secure. And yeah, so I think I want to try another adhesive out with this as well. But yeah, I'm really excited about this one. It's like everything that I always kind of said you cannot you know, when you're wearing these braids, these braided wigs, it's like they are kind of just like, well, you can with mine, you can over here, you know. So I feel like it's really dope. Yeah, because I always would say, if you put these up in a ponytail, like, it'll really be nice if you have baby hairs on the back, you know, and this one do have it. I always tell y'all to cut out that double lace, and this one is just already coming with HD lace all the way around the unit, so it's really scalping. Okay, so this should be dry now. I'm gonna take this down. I'm gonna turn around to the back for you and let y'all just see what that's looking like. I don't know what it's looking like just yet. I'm gonna see when I go back and edit. So yeah, and then you have baby hairs, you know, all the way even just behind the ear. And then of course these are always here. Let's get my mirror. Yeah, so yeah, I'm loving this so far. I'm really liking this so far. This is a triangle part, like I said. So not your typical square parting. On this one you get triangular parts, and I think I'm here for that. I think it gives it like more of a naturalness as well. I think it adds to the natural effect of it. So you do get the triangle parts. And turn around to the back. It's really nice. Like, I love just like the flatness that this has. This is just a really, really nice unit. I love the size of the parts in comparison to the braid. Yeah, I feel like it's equal. Yeah, I definitely feel like it's equal. I like this HD lace. Like, I really like this HD lace. Because it blends in really nice. I did go in because I'm chocolate, so you know, I did tint my lace with my lace tint spray. But if you're lighter than me, then of course this is just perfect for you, probably straight out the box. But yeah, it's really nice. The only thing is here, like, it's not as easy to do like a flip over, because the bulk of the triangle part is kind of like forcing the braid to lay to the side. Yeah, that's something I'm noticing. Yeah, like, see, it's like kind of fighting to stay over. Yeah, that's the only thing I kind of wish. It could still be triangle parts, but not like in a way where it's like forcing the braid to lay a certain type of way, because it's kind of hindering the styles a little bit. That's the look you could achieve. And this is just how it looks. I actually have confidence like pulling this to the front, like all of it to the front, and leaving the nape out, because we do have some hairs back here. Dang. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's the only thing. It's just the way that they braided it. It's kind of forcing the braids to really be like in the middle part type of look. See if I can tuck it a little. Got a side part. It's so cute. And then we already did the ponytail already, but of course you could do the ponytail. You just really want to make sure you got a good adhesive for that ponytail, because you definitely don't want your baby hairs in the back to just be lifting up, or just even just from the back of your ear to your nape. You don't want those lifting up. So you definitely want to probably make sure whatever you're using to hold down this unit is very strong, which is why I'm saying I think I need to just look into something else, because I do want to experiment with wearing this all the way up without a headband, but I just don't have a lot of faith in what I'm using. Yeah, I don't have a lot of faith in it. So yeah, I'm really liking this, y'all. For this to be 36 inches, it is so lightweight. Like these braided wigs, they typically are very long. I think I only did one short one on my channel, but for the most part, these are always 30 something inches in length. And they're very lightweight for them to just be so long. So if you were ever worrying about if these were just super heavy, no, they're not. They're very lightweight. I'm loving this HD lace on here. It is just really giving scalp, you know. It's just really giving scalp. Yeah, I really like this. It is just really like it's just giving I went to the braid shop. I love this. Like, I really like this. I think you guys will too. Let me show you. This is 36 inches. Like, pretty much right at my navel. Stand back a little bit. I know you can see the bottom. Y'all see what I'm talking about with this braid? Jeez. Okay, so 36 inches where they pull to the front is stopping like right at my hip. Now these are like those boho curly type ends. You know, they're curly at the end. So this is pretty much stopping like right at my hip. And then if it was to the back, it's like a little past my crack, like right at the middle of my butt. Yeah, it's like it's buttling, pretty much buttling, not underneath the cheek, but it's on your butt. It's on top of your butt. I'm 5'6", in case you need a reference, and that's where it hit at for me. So of course, if you're shorter, it's gonna be longer on you, and if you're taller than me, it's gonna hit shorter on you. Yeah, but it's a nice length. I think you'll be pleased with the length of this. It's really nice. It's really nice. I really like this. So freaking cute. Like, this is just really nice. This braid won't let me. And I can't leave it like over here because it's defeating that side part. I just really like side parts with these braids. It'd be so cute. But I don't really do them too often. Or I really got to play with the front. I do them a lot. But I have to always play with that hairline. But because this is that HD lace, I'm really trying to side part it. Yeah. It's really nice, you guys. I think you guys will really like this. Okay, you guys, so for the most part, that's pretty much going to wrap this up. Just a little quick show and tell, a little quick, you know, install. Definitely can save money with these type of looks. Definitely can save your time from going to the braid shop. And definitely can save just your natural hair too. Like, if your hair is kind of going through it, you just don't want to add the additional stress to your hair by, you know, constantly getting these braids. This is definitely a way to still have braids without having braids, you know what I mean? So yeah, I love the fact that I can just take this off like a hat and move on to the next style, or just take this off like a hat. You know, I don't have to sit there and just take out a hair full of braids. So, and y'all, something that I never mention in these videos, but something I want y'all to think about, because this is a braided wig, it's always going to look fresh. It's always just going to look fresh. These parts don't ever get old. The crispness of these parts don't ever get old. It's always going to look like your hair is just fresh. And y'all know that look like when you first get your hair braided, just how fresh and neat it be looking. And then 8 weeks later, it's just looking, you know, all grown out and whatnot. And then you start counting the days on how much longer you're going to keep them in. You don't have to with these, and especially with a unit that's just kind of top tier like this one. This is just definitely worth the money, because this is so far this is the most natural I done had. The most natural I done reviewed for y'all. So this one is it. This one is it. So thank y'all so much for watching. I'm gonna catch you guys in my next one. Bye.